Every day we learn one PCB fun fact. Today, we're diving into etching. Etching is a core pattern transfer process in PCB manufacturing, which removes unprotected copper foil via chemical or physical methods to form conductive circuits on substrates. It is mainly divided into two types. Wet etching, the mainstream process, uses etchants like copper chloride to dissolve copper. It is low cost and efficient, but has undercutting, suitable for conventional PCBs. Dry etching, also called plasma etching. It precisely removes copper with plasma. It has no undercutting and high precision, line width is less than or equal to 5 micrometers. Ideal for high-end products such as HDI boards. Typical process: pretreatment cleaning gives pattern transfer coating. Exposure gives etching, gives post-treatment stripping. Drying, parameters such as temperature and etchant concentration must be strictly controlled to avoid defects like over-etching and circuit burrs.